Welcome, everyone. I'd like to have a short discussion. This is a website, Safe Scale, which is provided by Scaled Agile. It's really a governing body of how organizations implement safe, lean, and DevOps principles within their project and business portfolios. As you can see by the model, customer centricity is focus of all the 7 lean value principles that are included on this overview. First, I'd like to talk to you regarding lean project portfolio management. This incorporates the best of lean process management to eliminate waste, provide a governance structure to align organizational strategy to execution. The processes in delivering value to the organization are optimized at the portfolio level and governed by lightweight, decentralized decision-making processes. Next, let's touch on the second principle, which is organizational agility. The organizational agility means it's continuously based upon an enterprise-wide lean agile mindset, and that's getting lean thinking people that are trained in processes incorporated into agile teams. They lean out business processes, again, eliminate waste all along that strategic and providing strategic agility. Continuous, this is the third principle, continuous learning, which is very critical to technology teams in today's rapid technology environments. This is the development of a learning and continuous mindset, and it's guided by the SAFE model by utilizing it's referred to as a social learning engagement structure. Teams are designed with all the necessary individuals to design, deploy, and develop and operate value to the customer. While accomplishing the work, team members are focused on innovation and relentless improvement by using continuous feedback to improve solutions and outcomes. So let's look at the fourth principle of the SAFE framework, which is very critical to everything. It's kind of in the center here. It's lean agile leadership. Leadership in this model focuses on leading by example, alignment of words and actions to principle-based lean proven values, all by inspiring others through behavior modeling to lead change. Leaders actively lead organizational change by providing new ways of working to facilitate the mindsets and behaviors of responsible digital transformation. With this in mind, let's take a look at the fifth principle, which is business agility at its best, and it's within a team and technical agility model. So anyway, the SAFE provides the goal of orchestrating the work of high-performing, cross-functional, agile teams as a desired state of the SAFE operating model within a lean enterprise. Quality is the objective, along with velocity and responsiveness of cross-functional teams orchestrated to deliver just the right time of value that customers pull through the pipelines. Next is the agile product delivery. This sixth principle of SAFE aligns the product delivery strategy, focused on the customer being at the center of the design and purpose of the value. As you can see, these are hyperlinks that you can click on and to give you more and more information. So with this, the agility is a proper cadence of delivery of relentless to continuously explore, integrate, deploy, and innovate using feedback to continuously improve. And finally, we reach the seventh principle, and this is to apply these lean principles to the enterprise. These are to see the larger organization, the orchestration and the complexity would be too much. So what they do is everything is managed via coordinating trains, agile trains, which are these teams that we've been discussing in the build-up of the 6 principles that we've discussed, coming together with suppliers to deliver continuously along value streams in the supply chain of the business and customers desiring the value of the product. These live systems continually evolve with innovation to provide the products and services the business needs to stay competitive in today's global marketplace. I want to thank each one of you for listening to this discussion. I welcome feedback and outline the 7 principles of SAFE for the lean enterprise. Thank you.